you guys aren't known for just selling the products. You've mentioned a couple times the training aspect. And the only time I've ever seen that is from your company in my experiences, right? I've never seen another company go out and give this free training on their tools or whatever tool that utility's using for the safety aspect and just for the education part of it. So I think there's a lot to be said for that, and it's working out really well. I think you're getting a lot of good responses from it, and I think it's making a difference in the industry.
So just to highlight that, so several years ago, about 6 years ago, I came up with Bierer USA, Utility Support Assistance. So this is a 6-leaf pamphlet, or 6 pages, and this is all about our services. And you can email me, Brent, at bierermeters.com. You can email me, and I'll send this out to you here. But this shows you all of our service that we provide for free. This is not about selling nothing. This is about giving back to you all, taking care of you all, and getting you all that knowledge. So this talks about all of our training, our work methods, tool methods meetings that we go to. My brother's going up next week to a large investor-owned utility to their tool methods. We do all this training. We sit on safety meetings. Hey, Brent, we want you to come to our safety meeting. We're going to hold it, and we want you to take notes and tell us what we need to change in our safety meeting. We do things like that. So this talks about all of our services, Bierer USA. Pretty cool.
That is awesome.